Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to DirectDMedia, and today we will review one of the most hot selling smartphones in the past week. The phone is none other than Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. You might wonder why this phone has been very popular. Well, let's check it out. The packaging of Redmi Note 9s is not the most interesting, but it does its job. The most important is of course what lies inside. At the front, you get the full image of the device. My first impression? It's a neat and nice looking phone. Xiaomi has moved to punch hole display compared to notch type in Redmi Note 8. Also, there is a status LED light at the top. One thing I miss about the Redmi Note 8 is that Xiaomi was able to place the Redmi branding at the bottom tip without adding extra size to its bezel. Overall, it's a fine direction because I personally like the front look of Redmi Note 9s. It is much cleaner and simple. The frame or bezel is again made of plastic, but the use of matte finish provides good grips in hand. The phone feels rather heavy in hand at about 209 grams. I think it's one of the heaviest mid-range smartphones in the market right now. However, the back has curvy edge design, so overall it feels pretty good in hand. I guess the majority of users won't complain, especially because it not just feels premium, but it also looks premium with Gorilla Glass 5 at both front and the back. This is very generous of Xiaomi because most manufacturers tend to use all the Gorilla Glass at the back. At the right side, there is a volume rocker and also a power button plus fingerprint scanner combo that I will talk about later. Left side, located eSIM and micro SD tray. For this Redmi Note 9s, you can put 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD all at the same time. At the bottom, located the 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port, a microphone and speaker. At the top, there is a noise cancellation microphone and also an IR blaster. So basically, you can use your phone as a remote control for electrical appliances such as your TV and aircon. At the back, the quad camera is now positioned in the center of the device. And for me, does look like a robot's eyes. But one thing I need to stress out here is the camera does noticeably stick out. I can say around 2mm. So if you want to avoid wobbling or scratches, it's better to use a casing, and luckily Xiaomi does provide one inside the box. There are 3 color options: Interstellar Grey, Aurora Blue, and Glacier White. Let's talk about the display. First, it has 6.67 inches Full HD Plus dot-dot full screen display with 2400x1080 resolution. That gives a 91% screen to body ratio, which is brilliant to provide immersive experience. The size might sound massive, but the slim bezels allow for one-handed usage fairly manageable. One thing my picky eyes would complain is the screen's brightness is that too low, and also it has some shadows at the edges. The Redmi Note 9s has a 5020 mAh ultra high capacity battery with 18W fast charge. One interesting thing is Xiaomi provides a faster 22.5W charger in the box. Overall, the big battery and efficient chipset allows me to play games longer when I'm on the road. Now let's talk about the chipset. Redmi Note 9s use Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. It's relatively a new chipset, so not much details about this chipset. However, we will show you some benchmarks and gaming tests to see how it performs. It has 2 variants, 4GB RAM with 64GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. You can choose which one suits your budget. I prefer the bigger one, more satisfaction. Okay, let's do some benchmarks and gaming tests. benchmark scores and gaming tests, I feel the Snapdragon 720G performance is really good for a mid-range smartphone. I'm able to enjoy a smooth gaming experience overall, and I think mobile gamers won't feel disappointed with this smartphone, especially considering the price that we pay for. If only it has a 90Hz refresh rate, but again, at this price point, I won't complain. On the software front, the Redmi Note 9S runs MIUI 11 based on Android 10 comes straight out of the box. It looks simple, easy to navigate and runs smooth. The combined power button and fingerprint sensor is placed to fit your thumb perfectly. The response was really good and fast, despite the animation being a bit slow. For face unlock, it works pretty well even if it's less secure. In the camera segment, we see more familiarity with other models in late 2019 and 2020. For the rear camera, it used a 48 megapixels main camera, 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, 5 megapixels macro camera, and 2 megapixels depth camera. While for front selfie camera, it comes with 16 megapixels in-display front camera. Let's take a look at the sample of the camera. Taken with the camera are decent enough for a mid-range smartphone. Its main 48 megapixels camera does take a good photos and is worthy of praise. The Redmi Note 9S does offer excellent value for your money. Price starting from Rm799. No wonder this phone has been selling really well so far. It's a great buy for those looking for a good mid-range device, and under the hood there is enough juice to scratch your gaming itch and with great battery life, as long as your eyes are okay with a bit dim display. What do you think about the Redmi Note 9S? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you are interested to get one, head over to our official website now to purchase. The link is in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the three precious buttons, like, subscribe and the bell icon, so we can continue producing good content in this channel. Stay safe, stay at home, and see you in the next video. Adios!